altOS is a secure mobility platform for government customers. The system gives government customers the tools they need to deploy and securely manage a mobile workforce. Government mobility is at risk today. The problem is that OEMs enable information collecting tools in their phones. So for example, the user's location, the applications that they're clicking and running, advertising tracking codes that can correlate back to where the user is, who they associate with, where they live, and allows third parties to develop a really robust view of what the users are doing. Those capabilities are still enabled in consumer phones that are being repurposed into government systems. Even certified devices, for example, phones that pass the Mobile Device Fundamentals NIAP protection profile, still leak all of this information. Those certifications say nothing about these particular features that are built in by the OEMs in order to monetize their users. We like to say that consumer phones are fine for consumers, but governments really ought to know better. The impact on the government is that they really don't control all of their information, since some of it is getting out, going back to those OEMs, and going out to third parties that subsequently allow people to be tracked. And the real problem is it gives everyone a false sense of security, thinking that they've got secure phones, when in fact they're really not in control of all of the data. altOS is different. It is designed from the ground up for a secure government mobility system. We base the platform on Android because it's very easy to use, it's convenient, it has a huge number of features that matter to users. But then we add in additional security enhancements, services, containerization, and especially embedded management systems that allow the government customer to remain in control, not just of the government container, but of any containers that are put on that mobile phone. So a government user can deploy multiple containers, one for personal use, one for government use, one for specific tasks, and the government's in control of everything that happens in those systems. And that's different from what you get from the consumer off-the-shelf phones. Our platform consists of the operating system for the phones, which we will flash into the phones for you, or you can flash yourselves. The management server, which lets you manage all the capabilities and define policy and push it out there. And then an over-the-air update server so that you can keep your phones up to date with the latest security patches. Finally, CIS Mobile does do custom features for customers as required. The management system is exactly what you'd expect to see in a mobile device management platform. We run on current hardware, including the Pixel devices. We really like the Pixel devices. They have great features and they have really great price performance for our government customers. So you can run it on Pixel 4, Pixel 4a, which is about to ship, the 3a, the 3a XL, and so on, back to some earlier versions. We also have a partner in Sonum, and that lets us put the operating system on a ruggedized phone. Contact CIS Mobile to get a demonstration or to run a pilot project of the altOS mobility platform.